Welcome. Today, we're diving into a practical, step by step way to find polls you voted on Facebook with the latest updates in mind. If you've ever wondered where your input lives on the platform, this guide will show you exactly how to locate those votes quickly and reliably. First, open the Facebook app on your device. From the moment you launch, you'll be aiming for a path that keeps you away from endless menus and deep settings, so you'll want to start at the main home screen where your feed appears. Next, look to the top right corner for the three horizontal lines. This icon represents the menu, and tapping it opens a compact navigation panel with a lot of options. Don't worry if it looks dense, we're focusing on just a couple of precise taps. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where Facebook groups together preference, controls, privacy options, and a few behind-the-scenes features that affect how you interact with the app. Tap Settings to proceed to the deeper settings that manage your activity and history on Facebook. In the Settings menu, you'll find your activity. Tap that to access a personalized timeline of your actions on the platform. It's designed to be a quick way to review what you've done, from posts and comments to reactions and other engagements. Within your activity, look for interaction. This section collects various kinds of interactions you've had with content on Facebook. Tap interaction to reveal more granular options about how you've engaged with posts, comments, and features within the app. Finally, within interaction, you'll see poll votes. Tap poll votes to pull up a list of polls you voted in over time. This page gives you a clear record of each poll so you can reflect on your past choices or revisit topics you found interesting. That's the full path. Open Facebook, tap the three lines, go to Settings and Privacy, then Settings. Choose your activity, select interaction, and finally, poll votes. With these steps, you can quickly review your participation history without scrolling aimlessly or hunting through old posts.